Hello. Let's get started with the floodlight installation, shall we? First is the quick start guide. Then you take out the waterproof ceiling ring. Next here we have the installation bracket. Then you have the hook. You have your screw accessories, your installation screw, and your electrical cap, right along with the set screws. First, shut off the power at the breaker. Remove your existing floodlight and disconnect the wires. Remove the old bracket as well, if there was one attached to your junction box.
First, attach the rubber ring around the floodlight.
Next, install the bracket to your junction box with the provided screws. Use the provided hooks to hang the floodlight from the bracket while you are connecting the wires.
Then, attach the included wire nuts to each wire on the back of the floodlight. The black and white wires must be connected with the protruding wires from the outside junction box. The ground wire is marked yellow to guard the yellow ground wire on the floodlight.
Put all wires inside the junction box. Take out the rubber cap in the center of the floodlight and insert the installation screws. Secure the installation screw to attach the floodlight to the bracket. Use the provided gasket to make sure no water can enter the junction box. Last, restore the power. Features include a light timer. You can customize the duration the lights will be on. User sharing. Sharing cameras access to other people without sharing your password. Motion activated floodlight. Floodlights will light up automatically when the camera detects any movement at night. Cloud service. 24/7 cloud recording. Floodlight cam will record 24 hours a day, and the cloud allows up to 7 days of recording.